8 mind-blowing AI technologies. AI technologies are advancing at a rapid rate. In fact, in the last 10 years, we have seen a 400% increase in the number of AI startups. In the next 10 years, we will see even more breakthroughs. There is a new revolution coming, and it is going to change everything. It is called artificial intelligence, and it is already happening at an incredible pace. Which AI technology has left you stunned? Let us know in the comments section. Welcome to our channel, Edge of Conception, and in today's video, we will explore some of the most mind-blowing AI technologies that are changing the world. Number 8. Mind reading. On number 8, we have an AI technology that can read minds. Yes, you heard that right. AI can be taught to read people's minds. Scientists have researched and developed artificial intelligence programs that can scan the blood flow in your brain to trace mental activities and decipher the thoughts associated with the detected brain activity. While looking at a real image, the AI system can detect the image created in the subject's mind. While the system is far from perfect, training it with additional data and images will allow the AI mind reader to decipher mental images with greater depth and accuracy. Facebook is also working on a mind reading project. Building 8, the social networking company's secretive division, is working on a way for users to send Facebook Messenger messages using only their thoughts. Not only Facebook, but Awakening, a sci-fi virtual reality video game developed by Neurable, allows you to pick up and even throw objects with your thoughts alone. The game includes an electrode headband that pairs with an HTC Vive VR headset. Another interesting innovation in development is by Microsoft. The user interface company received patents for interfaces that use brain activity to change the state of a computer or applications. Totally mind-blowing, isn't it? So, now that you know such technology is already in the making, think before you think. Number 7. Heart diagnosis. Next, we have an artificial intelligence that can read people's hearts as well as their minds. New AI applications powered by machine learning algorithms and trained on historical data can exceed doctors in predicting heart attacks. With a high success rate, one of Google's AI algorithms can predict the risk of heart attacks by simply scanning a patient's eyes. Changes in the tiny blood vessels in the retina have been identified as indicators of broader vascular disease, including heart problems. More sophisticated versions of these algorithms have the potential to save hundreds, if not thousands of lives by predicting heart attacks in advance. An example of AI commercially available today for heart diagnosis includes automated ejection fraction, calculations of point-of-care ultrasound systems. Number 6. AI creation. And guess what? The most amazing, though somewhat unsettling application of AI is the creation of other AI programs. Google researchers tested this idea by instructing an AI application to create another AI application that recognizes objects in a video. In the given task, the resulting child AI outperformed the man-made AI. This demonstrates AI's ability to perform complex tasks as well as learn and evolve without supervision, much like humans. AI applications, while not fully developed to their full potential, are widely used in today's world. Because AI is now a part of our everyday lives, its applications are difficult to overlook. As research in the field advances, AI applications will be able to perform increasingly mind-boggling feats. Number 5. Crime prevention. Governments all over the world are working hard to prevent crime so that their citizens can feel safe. Can artificial intelligence in crime prevention and detection make people feel safer all over the world? The 3 purposes that AI technologies that are currently helping in solving are ShotSpotter for detecting gunfire, Predpol for predicting crime spots, and CloudWalk for predicting who will commit a crime. An AI also helps in detecting clues at the crime scene and detecting bombs. So next time you think of committing a crime, you know who you need to be aware of. What's more, law enforcement agencies around the world are developing and deploying machine learning-enabled AI applications to predict and prevent crime. Japan is considering using AI and big data to predict crime, allowing law enforcement to prevent criminal activity by dispatching patrols to high-risk areas ahead of time. The use of AI to predict crime incidents is not a new concept, and it is already in various stages of development in countries such as the United States, the United Kingdom, and China. Number 4. AI Da, the painter. You must be suspicious of the statement, an AI that paints. Yes, you heard that right. Robotic draws arm moves slowly, dipping into a paint palette and then making slow, deliberate strokes across the paper in front of her. Da, assigned the she/her pronoun, has become the first robot to paint as artists have done for centuries in a small room at London's British Library. AI algorithms prompt Ida to interrogate, select, decide, and ultimately create a painting with her camera, eyes fixed on her subject. It is laborious work, taking more than 5 hours per painting, but no two works are alike. She claims she learned to paint using machine learning, which is different from humans. You must be wondering if she can paint from her imagination. Ida says she enjoys painting what she sees. She added, "If you have an imagination, I suppose you can paint from it. I have been seeing different things to humans because I don't have consciousness." Number 3. Diagnosing global diseases. And that's not it. AI technologies are also being used for diagnosing global diseases. Over the last few years, the combined advancements in healthcare and AI have been astounding, completely changing the way we think about health, healing, and survival. Despite this, many of the world's least connected areas are the most affected by treatable diseases, and they are the least likely to feel the effects of sophisticated technology. This is where AI Scope comes in. They have developed a low-cost, portable solution for diagnosing global diseases like tuberculosis, malaria, and diarrhea that can be used virtually anywhere. They have used cutting-edge machine learning and computer vision techniques to make microscopic diagnoses portable and accessible to almost anyone. The best part is that it is open source, which means that anyone with a computer vision can contribute and help advance this life-saving solution. Number 2. Help out on the International Space Station. NASA is one of the world's most well-known scientific organizations. But did you know that autonomous flying drones will soon be performing vital housekeeping tasks on board the International Space Station? These self-driving drones, dubbed Astrobees, were inspired by Star Wars training droids. The Astrobees, who are equipped with navigation algorithms and cutting-edge image recognition capabilities, will soon be in charge of regulating air quality and taking inventory on the ISS, as well as conducting small experiments themselves. Simon is space's first free-flying AI assistant. The robot is roughly spherical, 11-pound robot that can communicate with astronauts on the International Space Station. Facial recognition software tells Simon who it is talking to, and a purposefully simple visual design allows Simon to display basic facial expressions. It has indeed proven a handy assistant. Imagine you are an astronaut in space, and you are at your station working on an experiment. Your hands are busy, and you have a question about the project you are working on. Normally, you would have to float over to your laptop to get the answer, then back to the experiment station. With Simon, you can just say, "Simon, what's the next step?" and you do not have to interrupt your workflow. See? It's that easy. And here's a brownie point for our viewers. Have you heard about an AI that generates images from nothing more than text? DALL-E and DALL-E 2 are open AI machine learning models that generate digital images from natural language descriptions known as prompts. DALL-E was revealed by OpenAI in a blog post in January 2021, and it generates images using a modified version of GPT-3. DALL-E 2, a successor designed to generate more realistic images at higher resolutions that can combine concepts, attributes, and styles, was announced by OpenAI in April 2022. DALL-E can create imagery in a variety of styles, such as highly realistic imagery, paintings, and emoji. It can manipulate and rearrange objects in its image without explicit instruction, and it can correctly place design elements in unique compositions. Number 1. Allow us to pilot drones with our minds. And last but not least, a totally amazing AI tool is here. Being able to pilot a drone with our thoughts is a sci-fi fantasy for many, but thanks to Amaze's advanced robotics and neuroscientific work, that fantasy is now a reality. In 2018, they unveiled their Insight headset, which is an EEG that can measure brain activity and use to pilot a drone. What the technology actually does is detect a sustained thought pattern, so thinking rise or fly will cause the drone to take off, but so will thinking about cheese or anything else you can concentrate on. Regardless, piloting a drone solely through concentration is pretty cool. No doubt why it made it to our list of mind-blowing AI technologies. Artificial intelligence is the key to the future. It is highly anticipated and capable of solving very complex problems. That being said, that was all for today. Which of these AI technologies was your favorite or completely blew your mind? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. For more such sci-fi videos, subscribe to our channel and we will see you next time.